Hi, welcome back. Somebody asked me what my process is for our journaling. And normally, if I wasn't filming it, I would just have a huge free for all and just see where it takes me. But because I'm trying to make my journaling, make my videos shorter, which is an art in itself, I sort of sit down prior to my, when I'm going to sit down and do my reflection, and I have a stack of magazines sitting on the floor. And I go through them and I pull out whatever I'm drawn to. And then I allow it just to take me to where I am and to, in my reflection. That's how it works for me. Sometimes they're great. Sometimes the images are wonderful and sometimes they aren't. It's just what I have. And yes, I could paint and draw, and that's a whole other thing, which I encourage you to do. And some days I feel like it, and other days it's really more about the journaling and the process of the journaling and getting it down and documenting it every day, and less about, techniques. So that's how it works for me. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, just what I'm going through. So today was a wonderful day. I know it seems a little repetitive, but I don't think that I started out this process realizing how much, because I have been on a spiritual self-awareness path my whole life. And I do a lot of different practices. But one thing that I haven't consciously done in practice is focus just in gratitude. I do it sometimes, on and off, but today is day 18. So for 18 days in a row, I have added to whatever practice I do every day, which I meditate. I've just added the mindful practice of staying in gratitude. That's it. And somebody's going to say, okay, how do you do that? Okay, for me, I just sit with myself, especially when I'm not feeling it, and I just say, I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. And then I focus on something I'm grateful for. Some days it's my cup of coffee. Some days it's whatever it is that I'm going through. The birds singing, my children, my partner, the cat, the dog, whatever it is, the breakfast my daughter made us, whatever. And then I just build on it from there. But what I want to talk to you today about is what I'm experiencing as the accumulative effect of gratitude. This morning, nothing happened. There wasn't anything remarkable. In fact, it poured rain all day. It poured all night. So I woke up and the dog had peed on the floor because she wouldn't go out her dog door. So normally, that was what I woke up to. So it wasn't like some, miraculous special event. It was just life. But I felt this tremendous sense of bliss. This tremendous sense of bliss and of kindness toward myself. For me, that was remarkable. So these are the images that I pulled today. I pulled 3 images from the magazine, but this one won't fit on the page. I didn't look at the page before I pulled them, but I loved it. This is sort of how I feel today. Look how happy she looks. Obviously her body is like going in all different directions. She's leaping, but look how happy. And so I'll use this in another day of journaling, but these are the images I picked. So this cumulative effect of gratitude and bliss, I've seen a couple of things happen. I've started noticing in my friends and family those people that don't want to live in bliss and gratitude. I got a phone call from a business associate. I have a business meeting tomorrow, and I got a call from him. And he goes to the conflict. And it's so, I was like, I'm sure he's always done it, but I never really noticed it so much before. He lives for the conflict. And I heard him repeat to me some things. I said, no, that's not what our meeting said. And I said, I have the minutes. And he's like, no. And I said, go back and read the minutes. I said, hang on. And I went back and I pulled up the minutes, and, we hadn't spoken of what he was we hadn't had that conflict. But I just realized that that's where he roots his energy, is in conflict. So maybe I won't even use this page. I thought I was going to. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just write about it. So it made me think. It made me just really aware of, you know, of listening to him and being aware of where he's rooting his energy. So he's rooting his energy in conflict. So everything that comes to him has a conflict in it. And because for these past 18 days, I've been really focusing on gratitude and bliss. So much so that I put, like, in my car, I have, what are you grateful for today? Like a little post-it. I have one in the bathroom that says, I'm grateful for you. I've just noticed that, the cumulative effect of this bliss and gratitude has made me more aware. And it's also made me realize that anything that I'm not happy with in my life, anything, can be solved or resolved through gratitude. Through gratitude. So today I want to journal about what it means to practice the practice and the side effects of gratitude. I'll call this page the side effects. Okay. My journaling page, day 18. The side effects. Day 18, and I awoke in bliss for no other reason than being awake. How wonderful this is! Nothing new to learn or change. Just add a simple, mindful note of gratitude. What a simple addition. What a major shift in experience of love this brings. So grateful, so grateful, so grateful. I'm grateful for all of you in my life. Thank you for being part of my tribe. Thank you for being on this journey with me. It's never too late. Start right where you are, right here, right now. Allow it to build. It's amazing. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha.